Hi everybody. I have never done this before, but I'm going to do a unboxing video. And the only reason why I'm doing it is because it is from a company in Canada that I have absolutely fallen in love with for my fragrance oils. I'm probably going to pronounce it wrong, but I believe it's called Kulig Aromatics, but it's Kulig. You can look them up on Facebook. My last order was phenomenal. I've ordered from Candle Science, Lone Star, Flaming Candle, a couple other companies I can't remember. And all of their scents, they all smell good. But I was blown out of the water when I smelled Kulig's fragrance. So this is them. My camera's trying to find my face. There we go. So I did another curated box, so I let her pick it out for me. So I'm super excited. Flowers by the Fire. God, see, it's so strong I can smell it through the lid. Another thing that she does that the other larger companies haven't done, or at least didn't do on my order, is she puts these stickers to keep the caps secure. All right, what else do we have? Black tea. After Hours. Ooh, and another awesome thing that she does is she provides these tips for her smaller bottles. So I use these kinds of tips for all my fragrance oils. For me, it just gives me better control and less spillage, less waste. Palo Santo, Champagne Kisses, Wildflower Oasis, Cozy Sweater, Whiskey and Oak. I bet I'm gonna love that one. Can I at least get one off? Oh my God. I love it. It's hard to describe. You can definitely smell the oak. It smells like a man, just a yummy, sexy man. Yeah, it smells kind of like a cologne, a man's cologne. Cashmere. Let's see if I get this one off. It's a good one, cashmere. Christmassy one. Smell a little bit of pine in there. Something else, I don't know. That smells good. Spice in the Velvet Hour. Spice in the Velvet Hour, yeah. I told her to pretty much just stay away from food scents. I'm not really big on, you know, blueberry pie or stuff like that. It's just not my thing. Ooh. Okay, well, this might be the first one out of 32 that I don't like. But that happens. Just because I don't like it doesn't mean someone else isn't going to absolutely love it. Mahogany Teakwood. I have like 4 bottles of this stuff from different companies. You just can't go wrong with that. Again, it smells like a sexy man. I don't know if I can say that on video. Might have to bleep that out. So, and this is their large curated box. It's a good way to try them out and see what scents they have. This is Scarlet Snow Rose. Oh yes. That smells like rose, pure rose.
This is my business, the works of my hands. I am proud of my work and not ashamed of my work. All I need is your support to take it to the top.